What if I told you that growing your online income doesn't require working longer hours or constantly chasing new clients? How would it feel to have a system in place that works for you, generating money consistently, without the stress of starting over each month? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, I'm about to show you how it's possible. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 smart ways to grow your online income consistently the right way, so you can start building sustainable revenue without the constant grind. These strategies are designed to help you work smarter, not harder, and achieve long-term financial freedom. Let's jump in. 1. Workflow automation consulting. The first strategy we're going to talk about is workflow automation consulting. As businesses adopt more AI tools, one of the biggest challenges they face is making all these tools communicate seamlessly. This is where you come in. By setting up automation systems, you can help businesses integrate their tools so they work together smoothly. Imagine being able to sync a CRM, email marketing system, and customer support tool all in one go. You could do this using platforms like Zapier, N8N, or Make, which allow you to build custom workflows that automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automate a process where a lead's information is transferred from a landing page form directly into a CRM, and then a thank you email is sent automatically. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize these automations to handle complex workflows, like sending personalized follow-up emails based on customer actions or integrating order processing with inventory management systems. The more customized the automation, the more valuable it becomes to the business, allowing them to save time and reduce human error. This is where the magic happens. Instead of charging a one-time setup fee, you can offer a monthly retainer for continued support. You'd monitor the workflows, troubleshoot any issues, and even optimize them as needed. What's even better, with AI tools helping you draft initial logic for these automations, you'll be able to serve more clients in less time, scaling your business quickly. Plus, businesses are always looking for ways to improve their systems. So once you set the foundation, you'll have opportunities for ongoing work. 2. Niche subscription assets. The next strategy is niche subscription assets. Instead of selling one-off products like an ebook, why not offer subscription service? The beauty of this model is predictability. You create something once, and your customers pay you consistently every month for access to new content or value. For example, you could create a monthly Notion dashboard for project managers, a specialized newsletter on Substack, or a content-as-a-service model, where you deliver 10 custom social media templates each month. This model works great for niche markets where customers value exclusive, high-quality content. The recurring revenue stream means you'll have a clearer forecast of your income each month, allowing you to plan your growth. Plus, this model gives you the opportunity to engage with your customers regularly, building a stronger relationship with them over time. It's the ultimate way to create stability in your income while offering continuous value. The great thing about subscriptions is that you can always increase the value over time. As your audience grows, you can offer more exclusive perks or content, keeping your subscribers excited and loyal. Also, by creating a community around your subscription service, you'll increase retention and encourage word-of-mouth marketing, which helps attract more customers organically. 3. AI-enhanced content ecosystems. Let's talk about AI-enhanced content ecosystems. In the creator economy, content is king, but repurposing content is where the real power lies. Imagine creating a long-form video or blog post and using AI tools to repurpose it into multiple pieces of content. A blog post, a newsletter, LinkedIn updates, and even short-form video clips for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. By using AI, you can make this process seamless and incredibly fast. This means you're not spending hours creating new content, but you're multiplying the reach of one piece of content. Not only does this help you maintain consistency, but it also maximizes your chances of monetization through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships. With AI tools handling the repurposing, your content can reach different audiences on different platforms with minimal extra effort from you. It's the smart way to scale your content strategy and ensure multiple income streams from a single piece of content. In addition, AI allows you to track performance across platforms, helping you understand which content types and topics resonate the most with your audience. This way, you can refine your content strategy and create more of what your audience loves. Over time, This boosts engagement and can attract even more subscribers or followers to your brand. The best part is that you're not just relying on one platform or content format. You're diversifying your presence online, allowing your brand to be discovered in multiple places. This flexibility in your approach is key to building a sustainable and scalable content business. The result? More exposure, more opportunities, and more income, all from a single idea. For digital product marketplaces, high utility. Next up, let's talk about digital product marketplaces, specifically high utility products. This is where the real growth lies, selling digital products that provide practical value. The market is oversaturated with low-effort items like AI-generated art, but the real opportunity is in products that solve specific professional problems. For example, you could sell SEO-optimized content frameworks or create prompt libraries for industries like real estate or law. Another example could be Excel or Google Sheets trackers designed to help businesses or professionals stay organized and efficient. These products have high utility and can genuinely make a difference in someone's workflow or business, which makes them more valuable in the long run. The beauty of this model is that once these products are created, they can sell automatically on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website, 24/7, with no extra effort required after the initial creation. This means you can earn passive income from these products, freeing up your time to focus on other business ventures or projects. What makes this model so powerful is that these products are evergreen. They don't go out of style. And once they're set up, you're free to focus on creating even more digital products, expanding your offerings and your income streams over time. You also have the flexibility to adjust and update these products as market needs change, ensuring they stay relevant and valuable. Additionally, by positioning yourself as a provider of high-utility digital solutions, you can attract a loyal customer base who will keep coming back for more products that solve their specific needs. 5. Done-for-you online education. Lastly, let's talk about done-for-you DFY online education. Many professionals, such as doctors, lawyers, and consultants, want to share their expertise through online courses, but they lack the technical skills to build and sell them. This is where you can come in and offer a DFY service that handles everything for them. Your role would be to handle the content strategy, use AI tools for video editing, and set up everything on platforms like Teachable or School. This makes the process easy for your clients, who can focus on what they do best, creating the content, while you handle all the technical stuff. What's great about this model is that it doesn't just stop at course creation. You'll also assist with marketing strategies, helping your clients promote their courses to the right audience, ensuring that they're reaching their full potential. You could even offer ongoing support for updating courses or creating supplemental materials, making your service even more valuable. You can charge a high upfront fee for setting up their course, plus a revenue share from the sales, creating a long-term income stream. This model works well because it offers recurring revenue from multiple clients, and as you build your reputation, you can increase your rates. Moreover, this model allows you to work with a wide range of professionals in different industries, diversifying your client base and reducing dependency on any single niche. As online education continues to grow, your DFY service becomes a crucial component of helping professionals monetize their expertise. And there you have it, 5 smart ways to consistently grow your online income. Remember, every step you take today brings you closer to your goals. Success is about big leaps. It's about consistent action. So keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with anyone who could use these strategies, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building sustainable income streams. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.